Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we are going to unbox the Under Armour UA Protect Grip for the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6s Plus, and also the iPhone 8 Plus. So I got this at Target for $11.98 on clearance from Target. If this wasn't on clearance, the regular price would be $39.99. Today we are going to unbox this thing and check this case out. Before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is, Under Armour UA Protect Grip. This has 8 feet of drop protection. Here's the phone case itself, and on the right side of the box this has UA Connect mount system compatible. This has no slip grip, as you can see there, with the ridges on the sides, and this has 3 layers of protection. So here's one last look at the front of the box, and let's finally take a look at the sides of the box. Here's Under Armour and UA Protect Grip, and here's the bottom side of the box, which has your legal information and a barcode that you can scan on your phone to look this product up. And here's the back side of the box. On the back side of the box, it says it advertises the UA Connect mount system. Here you can see the bullet points: snap in and connect with 5 versatile mounts. It works with all UA Protect cases. Here on the bottom side, it advertises the accessories: UA Connect Media Mount, UA Connect Magnetic Mount, UA Connect Sport Mount, UA Connect Armband Mount, and UA Connect Bike Mount. And here's the bottom side, Connect with Us. And with that being said, I am going to get my iPhone 7 Plus out, and we're going to unbox this thing. So here it is. I have my iPhone 7 Plus on the side, and let's finally unbox this thing. So let's take the phone case out, and here we have more UA Connect mount system compatible. Let's put that away. And here's the phone case. Here's your dummy. Here's your grip. And this case is made out of plastic and rubber. Let's take this part out and see what's inside. So once you open it up, it says that this comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This product is guaranteed against defects in materials and craftsmanship for 1 year. And on the right side, it says that this is manufactured by Incipio. So this is an Under Armour product manufactured by Incipio. And here's the rest of the information. And there you have it. So let's take a look at the phone case. So here's the inside of the phone case and the outside on what it looks like. You have the ridges on the side for the grip. You have buttons and openings for the switch. Here's a button for the power. Here you have the openings for the speakers and the lightning port. Here you have the minimal logo on the side and the opening for the camera cutout. And on the inside, this is a soft textured pattern. So this is more of a harder rubber, and it's more a soft rubber, and this is the plastic part, the hard plastic, and that's your 3 levels of protection. The 3 levels of protection is this soft part, more of a harder rubber, and this plastic part that I'm filling it. So here's your accessory, where the accessory goes to, and the cutout for your accessory. And let's finally install the iPhone 7 Plus into the Under Armour UA case. So my look at the iPhone 7 Plus, and let's install this thing. And you can also install this with your iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6s Plus, and also the iPhone 8 Plus. So all you have to do is make this end meet. And this is a harder case than your typical silicone or other cases that might be cheaper than this case. So all you have to do is hear that snap, and your ready to go. So let me wipe this down to get the full effect. So with all the smudges and fingerprints out of the way, here is the phone inside the Under Armour UA Protect Grip. So let me give you a 360-degree view. Here's the back side and back and front. So let me get a better focus from this angle. And let's take a look at the raised lip or raised edges that protects your screen. So you can lay it down on the table like this without scratching up your screen. And I am also running a screen protector from Spigen, and you're good to go. And on the side of the case, you have your buttons and ports, which is easily accessible. And on the other side, you have the power button, and it's really responsive with the buttons. No problems there. And here's the cutout for your camera. The one thing that I would nitpick is the cutout, which I think it could be more narrow. Here's your logo on the top right corner. Here's your plastic and the ridges for your grip. And this does feels good in the hand. And here are your cutouts for your speaker grill and the lighting port. Let me get a better look. And yeah, so this part is hard rubber, so you don't have to worry about dropping this if you ever do. And let's turn this on, unlock it, and here's what it would look like while being on. I really wish that harder portion of the hard rubber that I'm putting right now would be black, just to match my phone color in the case, but I really like the contrast ridges for your grip. But that's the one thing that I would do different if I was Under Armour or Incipio who manufactured this product. It feels good in the hands, and you can we're going to test out the volume and if they are responsive. And here is the testing the volume and the power, which has no problem at all. Here's the back side, and if you ever plan to drop it, you get a peace of mind that this phone will be protected. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to check out my other videos on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll see you on the next video.